Welcome to my garden. This is my little paradise. Would you like to come inside and have a look? Let's stop for a moment and have a look at my little magnolia. Well, it's not so little anymore, it's actually quite big. I brought it with me from my previous garden. You should have seen the removal men when I told them we were moving this one too. I brought 700 plants with me from my previous garden. Here's my front garden and the front of the front garden. I'm just borrowing the pavement. But let's go inside. There's more to see. Yeah, I'm calling my garden Serendipity Garden. There's always something new to see. Tropical corner. Lots of tropical plants, but a lot of them are sleeping right now. And this is the woodland bed. They're not sleeping, they are fully awake, most of them. That's Bertie, can you see him? The frog. There's going to be a lot of more plants here. In a few weeks it's going to be bursting here. Oh, I am dabbling a bit in bonsai creating. This bonsai is going to get a proper bonsai dish next year. It's still in a training pot. Let's move a little bit further. Pretty Acer is getting its leaves out. Oh, did I mention I'm a hopeless plantaholic? I have so many plants. All the beds are completely full and I have plants everywhere, in containers, in pots. They are spilling over everywhere. By the time we get to July, you need a machete to get through on the path here. At the moment, it looks pretty neat and tidy. But you just wait. It won't look tidy by the time we get to midsummer. There we are. That's the rose bed. The roses are growing like mad and they're already budding. Here's the view where we just came from. Apple tree is putting on a bit of growth, and soon it will be in full flower. And we're going to end up in my Japanese bed with rhododendrons and camellias. With the view of the house in the background.